ORIC-A3 UV no-shaping powder hot stamping imitation embroidery printer. Combining angled nozzle installation with hands-on board control to achieve three-dimensional white ink stacking process. A one-stop solution for creating high simulation embroidery effects. The device adopts high-quality Epson13200-U1HD head, with high printing accuracy and realistic color reproduction. Presenting a full and three-dimensional touch and texture, perfectly restoring the exquisite texture of traditional embroidery. The solution does not require plate making or sewing, with simple operation and extremely high efficiency. Can be directly hot pressed on various fabrics, bags, shoes, hats, cultural and creative products. The pattern is delicate, with a strong sense of three-dimensionality, water-resistant, stretch-resistant, and does not fade or crack. Compared to traditional embroidery, it has lower costs, smaller minimum order quantities, and faster delivery, especially suitable for small batch, personalized, and complex pattern production. Compared to traditional embroidery, it has lower costs, smaller minimum order quantities, and faster delivery, especially suitable for small batch, personalized, and complex pattern production. Quick to use and strong stability. It replaces traditional embroidery in industries such as clothing customization, gift processing, and cultural and creative production. Ideal choice for enhancing product added value.